What's up everybody, my name is Micah and welcome back to Creating Creations. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a car using the energy stored in a hot glue stick. Instead of making a whole new car for this project, I'm going to be modifying the gravity powered car that I made in a previous video. If any of you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it in the description. And so all I'm going to be doing is modifying this one so it is powered with hot glue stick instead of the weight. Okay, let's get this project started and I'll see you guys on the other end of this video.